Okay, let's see how this goes. I'll try to do it from the side. And hopefully we'll get ourselves out of the frame. Alright. I'll put this on top of here. Let me grab my stuff. And I've amended the board, so now I don't know if you can even see this, Mark. It's hard to see actually. I think I should get a different color tape. So that says 1, 2, 3. So you click there, go to the number board, okay? And then when you're on the number board, this is AB. It says there's a sticker. Put a sticker on here, but it's a blue sticker, and I think it's a blue tape. But I think I might try to use other tape. This is ABC. We click on that, then we go to this board. And also put period and done.
Done.
Yeah. When you're done with your sentence, okay? Okay. Okay, we're still doing aircraft carrier because we're going slower now that we're doing more sentences. What time is it? Okay. Landing successfully requires the pilot to approach the stern, S-T-E-R-N, that means rear of the deck, at exactly the correct angle. The landings signals officers, LSO job is to guide the aircraft to a successful landing using a radio and a collection of lights on the deck. If the LSO sees that the pilot is off course, he or she radios for the lights to be illuminated, ILLUMINATED, to help the pilot correct, or to wave him off. That means send him around for another attempt. He's coming in at the wrong angle, I guess. Okay. Here we go. And can you back up just a little bit? And I'm going to try to also work on putting the board down further. That was one thing. Okay, let's see what we got. The first word to spell is exactly. Okay. E-and. Try again. E-and. Exactly. E-and. Down. Look again. Use your eyes. X and A-N. C and close. T and
D
L and
D.
try again.
D.
No, E X A C T.
D.
Okay. I think I got confused. E X A C T. Okay, what's next?
K. P.
L and
D.
Y. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to keep things in order, but I'm obviously not doing a good job. Okay. Next spelling word is correct.
C.
And O and R and C-O-R. It's a double. It's a double. C-O-R-R. Good job. And D-N. Look again. C-O-R-R-E. You can do it. In the middle. Up. I'm not supposed to give directional cues. C-O-R-R-E. C. Good job. You're getting there. T. Good job. That was good. Okay. Okay. Next spelling word is collection. C and O and L and L and E and look again. Up, look. C and D and
D.
I and
D.
O and N. Very nice. Collection. All right, I think we're getting warmed up. Let's try a sentence. What is the rear of the ship called? So we're going to start with the.
D.
And
S.
H and the. Yes, R and E and A and the rear.
D.
And the O and over.
D.
F. Good job. The rear of T
D.
and
D. S.
H and
A.
the rear of the
S.
S and
D. S.
H and
N.
I and
B.
B. Good job. The rear of the ship. I and
S.
S. I is.
C.
C and A and
D.
C-A-L and
D.
I love that. C-A-L-L. Good job. That's it. C-A-L-L E-N up.
D.
The rear of the ship is called the
D.
and
C. S.
H and
A.
the no, that was right. No, that was right. The rear of the ship is called the
S.
S and
D.
T and use your eyes. E and R and use your eyes.
S.
S-T-E-R. Very nice. Stern. Oh, and we have to do period. Hold on. Do period real quick, then we'll do another. Period. Ow. Okay, that was a good one, Mark. Whew. Okay. Let's do just a one word answer. To land, a pilot must bring in his aircraft at exactly the correct blank. A and N and
D.
G and L and look. Move your eyes.
D.
Move your eyes. A-N-G-L
C.
A-N-G-L.
A.
Very nice. The angle. The correct angle. Okay. We're going to do another sentence. What does LSO stand for? We're going to start with LSO. L and
D. S.
S and
LSO. S.
S and
D.
D and use your eyes up. A and
N.
N
D.
G and
S.
S. LSO stands.
D.
Use your eyes. Over.
F.
F and
N.
F and
D.
LSS stands. LSO stands F O R for. Yep. L and
D.
A and N and up.
D.
D and I and N.
D.
Okay, very good correction. Landing. LSO stands for landing.
S.
S and I and G and N and J and
D.
L and
D.
no S. Landing signals. LSO stands for landing signals.
D.
O and
G.
look again.
P.
Nope, use your eyes. O and you're doing it.
D.
Use your eyes over.
F.
And
F.
and I and
B. C.
C and
E.
D and OFFICE R. Good job. Woo. LSO stands for Landings Signals Officer. Landing Signals Officer. Okay. When an LSO sends a pilot around for another attempt to land, what phrase is used to describe it? Let's just do that phrase, just 3 words.
W.
And A and
U.
V and move your eyes. Move your eyes up. W A V. Make it make sense. E. Wave. Okay. Hold on. Slow down. Okay. Wave. I think you may have had it. I just wasn't watching.
C. S.
H and I and
D.
H I M. Wave him. O and O and. Try again. No.
B.
You're on the right side of the board. Wave him. O F and F. Wave him off. Good job. Good job. Okay. Let's read another paragraph. Whoa, look at this. Holy cow. Okay, that shows the degrees on the landing deck. Okay. Excuse me. Long-range lineup system, it says. Okay, that looks a little complicated. Okay. The diagram we just looked at is an illustration of the long-range lineup system, or LRLS. It is commonly referred to as the lens and consists of a series of lights. Fresnel lenses, Fresnel, F-R-E-S-N-E-L, that means they're like a magnifying glass, and gyroscopic, G-Y-R-O-S-C-O-P-I-C, that means spinning platform. The lens sends out beams at different angles. Depending upon the angle of the aircraft upon approach, the pilot will see certain color patterns. The pilot looks for an amber, A-M-B-E-R, or yellow, light known as meatball. Then he knows he is right on. That's interesting. Meatball. Okay, let's do a couple spelling words. Diagram.
D.
And I and
C.
look,
B.
look, A and good job. D-I-A
S. G.
G and R and good job. A and in the middle.
S.
D-I-A-G-R-A
D.
G-R-A diagram.
M.
M. Good job. Next word is beam.
B.
B and B and B-E. That's right. Beam. B-E. A and beam me up, Scotty. Good try. Try again. B-E-A. B-E-A. Use your eyes. Look for it. Look for it. You're all around it. B-E-A. Beam. B-E-A. Last letter. No. Try again. Let's reset. Okay. B-E-A. Beam. Trying to give you a bunch of hints. Beam. Hey, that's good enough, Mark. That's good enough. My hand hurts. Holy cow. Okay, the light system we just looked at is called the long range blank blank. Excuse me. Okay, we're just gonna do some. What time is it? 24. Okay, long range blank blank. Let's fill in the blanks. L and I and N and L-I-N-E, line, U-N-P, line up, long range, line up. I guess that was supposed to be all one word. S and Y and S-Y, close, use your eyes, S and G and E and right in the middle. S-Y, yep. M, there you go. Line-up system. Long-range line-up system. This system is commonly referred to as what? Okay. W-O-S. Okay, let's get back on track. This was referred as to what? Let's start with the T and H and the L and up in the corner E and N and close S. Good job. The lens. The lens. A blank lens is like a magnifying glass. Let me reword it. What kind of lens is like a magnifying glass? Let's do a sentence. We'll start with A. A, F, and R, and D, and S, and N, and all in the corner. Nope, close your eyes. E, and L. A Fresnel. Try again. L, and D, and N, and a Fresnel lens. Good job. I and S is L and make it make sense. L-I K and nope, use your eyes. L-I-K-E, like. A Fresnel lens is like a, good job, M and nope. M and nope, that make it make sense. You're doing a good job. M and A and G and N and I and F and keep going. Down. I and I and N and G. A magnifying. A Fresnel lens is like a magnifying G